Arrive in style with this 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sport. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, incorporated, hill descent control tip start, passenger vanity mirror, anti-spin differential rear axle, engine, 3.6 LV624 VVVT, STD, CD player, bucket seats, and Sirius satellite radio incorporated. 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888-539-7474. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.